Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be a full face drugstore makeup tour. I have a lot of new drugstore makeup that I haven't tried. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about makeup, click the subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any new videos. I don't have a drugstore primer, but I do have an affordable primer that is sold at Ulta Beauty, which is the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Makeup Transformer Drops Wake Up Effect. So this is how it looks like. This you could get at Ulta and it's very affordable, but it's not sold at the drugstore. But it's my first time trying this product. This is how it looks like. It's very orangey. I think I took too much. For foundation, I have this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I have mine in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This foundation is so nice. I love the way that it like blends out when I'm blending it out. The concealer I have today is the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer. I'm gonna put some on my smile lines. Next, for setting powder, I have the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. For bronzer, I have the Physicans Butter Bronzer. I absolutely love this bronzer so much. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It is just in between, and the best part, it smells amazing. Now for highlighter, I have the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Hello Hollow Liquid Highlighter. And this one is in the shade Rosy and Ready. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Rimmel London Magnif'eyes Colour Edition eyeshadow palette. That's how it looks like. And when I open it, look at all these beautiful bright colors. I'm going to go ahead with this white shade right here for all over my lids. I'm taking this light brown shade right here and it's going to go on my crease. Next, I'm going in with this gold shade right here, and it's going to go on my outer corner of my eye. Now I'm using this green shade right here. It's gonna go on my crease. So I'm just gonna like build it up on my crease. Right now we are just like focusing on the crease because I definitely want to build it up to be like a beautiful color. Next, I'm using this bright blue color. It is so pretty, so I'm going to use this for my entire lid. And I'm using a flat shader brush from Real Technique.
You definitely have to build it up. This color blue is beautiful, but you have to build it up. I'm going to like spray it a little bit.
I'm going back to this green shade right here and blended it in my crease. And I'm gonna go back to this brown shade right here. For eyeliner, I have the NYX Cosmetic Eye and Eyebrow Pencil. This one is in the shade Black. For mascara, I have the Covergirl Peacock Flare Mascara. This is how the mascara wand looks like. I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. And this one is in the shade 60 Poet. This is the color, such a beautiful mauve color. I almost forgot the main thing. So I have the Kiss Blowout Lash Falsies. This is a Kiss Blowout Lash Falsie. This one is Pixie. So I'm going to apply this on and I'll be right back. Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my recent makeup tutorial, then just click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.